Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 35. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to General Tantay. Right now, she was talking to the princess. I have to see your sincerity. When will you understand that I am human being, not a doll at the mercy of the others? Right now, General Tantay trying to teach a lesson, a princess, that she is not a doll, something. Someone can get once, ever they want, something from her. I can only do things according to my own preference and just want to. No matter what now, there must be a misunderstanding. Well, it was the princess and the Duguyan. At this moment, these two really wants to talk General Tantay about the princess' marriage to hers. But General Tantay said, misunderstand? Well, of course, this is not really misunderstanding. She can clearly understand what's happening, but these two people won't refuse. Where is the misunderstanding? Refers to the will of marriage out. We didn't hear the wind in the advance. Well, definitely she was right. They're not lovers. Suddenly, the princess wants her to marry her. Solitary flame, you can count on me. General Tantay trying to explain her feelings and also her side. The royal family but these two, the princess and the Duguyan. How wrong, I also just find out. Duguyan was speaking at this moment. Well, probably she want to protect her sister. But General Tantay, of course, she won't back down at this. Duguyan, not intentionally, it was hidden height. But General Tantay said, really? Well, this man and also the princess, they're really good at nothing, but right now, only wants to try to protect themselves. If you don't believe it, right now, oh, it turns out it was Princess Paiman at this moment. Duguyan wants to front her. Well, definitely, Duguyan. If you don't believe me, ask the princess. Oh, since it was Princess Paiman at this moment, Princess Paiman lies to General Tantay at this moment. Of course, she must really hurt, but condensing right now, Sharong. Princess Paiman was looking at General Sharong. At this moment, she is not speaking, but only wants to look at her. She thought that keeping marriage was the Nine Kings' calculations, but Nine Kings like me just been told by Dugushan, there's no calculations. Princess Paiman said to General Sharong. Dugushan thus announced that we did know. Huh? General Tantay said to her. Well, can General Tantay still tease her after saying things like that? Are you begging for Dugushan, Paiman? Right now, it seems that General Tantay wants to tease her. At this moment, how can Princess Paiman answer the teasing of General Tantay? Are you begging for Duguyan or Dugushan? Well, definitely, Princess. Of course, she will not choose the two people. She even knows that General Tantay is only provoking her. But suddenly, look at the princess. It seems to be sad. What should I do? What should I say? Princess Paiman was talking to herself. Of course, at this moment, she don't want General Tantay to be belittled by someone. He's not speaking. If you don't speak, you mean, of course, you will speak for them, right? General Tantay is asking her. Until this moment, the princess is not speaking. Because you and the Nine Kings are husbands and wife. You are the family. What about me? In your heart, what exactly I am? General Tantay was talking to herself. The most beautiful things is you. Every time I feel like you have to put me in my heart. Immediately afterwards, make me feel that in your heart I don't seem to be anything at all. The fast that abandoned by now has been always a thorn into my heart, but after so long, I couldn't pull it off. General Tantay said to her. On the coats, it was really meaningful. It can only be allowed to spread into the net and it was so tight that there's only vein. Well, it's been crucial. But right now, Princess Paiman, she must really think about what to choose on sides. Right now, looking at General Tantay, it seems that she's going to act rashly. Suddenly, she found to pull out her swords. Well, this is really getting crazy. General Tantay, as you wish. Right now, he was standing there, and also Princess Paimon still on her heart. It was really tough for her, even though she had a lot of things right now. Of course, sometimes you will really feel empty. After passing by, it was Princess Paimon wants to speak to her. And also, at this moment, seems that it was really getting complicated. On the other hand, when Xiaorong walks away from her, Princess Paimon is trying to call her, but since General Xiaorong she was hurt, of course, she chose to leave at this moment and left alone Princess Paimon, Dugushan, the princess, she was really eager to trying to coax General Xiaorong. Xiaorong, I still like you, the princess said to her. This moment, Xiaorong, it seems that she was not really in the mood. In any case, I will pursue you until you can change your opinion of me. I won't let you push me away, the princess said to General Xiaorong. Oh, she's really tough. Xiaorong, General, and a counter princess, Princess Paimon. She was looking at the two of them. Well, probably, she really got jealous that General Xiaorong put her attentions to someone rather than her. It looked like it spits because these hands have no power. Well, at this moment, Princess Paimon really get fitted on herself. It was really tough, but she should really protect herself first. So, will it be snatched by Dugushan? Princess Paimon, she was talking to herself. Well, at this moment, it must really hurt. But the Nine Princess think because her surname is Dugu, so will Xiaorong deviate from me? At this moment, it seems that her mind is really in chaos. That's why she can think about this. In fact, it's not surprising because Xiaorong had already said that he would not give up the seat. Princess Xiang is the best choice, isn't it? Well, definitely. Princess Paimon thinks right now it was really good. But right now, since Princess trying to coax her, she was calling General Xiaorong. And General Xiaorong, it seems that she's been too rough on her. At this moment, Paimon, General Xiaorong, she only thinks about Paimon. And it really makes sense. Princess Paimon, she was really smart, can predict on what will happen in the future. Also, at this moment, since Princess Paimon is approaching her, and it was Tuguyan on her back, right now, Xiaorong, she can only do is to grit at her teeth. Well, this chicken, they're not regular ones. Of course, you have a separate things in this life. Come with me, General Xiaorong, trying to speak to Princess. And Princess right now, she is really surprised by the action of General Xiaorong. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.